I have been closely associated with IJMEMS since the inception of this journal. In fact, long back in 2016, if I'm able to recall it correctly, I had this privilege, I had this chance of editing the first or I guess second issue for IJMEMS. So I can, mildly recall I had collected around about 15 articles all over the globe, and only 5 were from India and 10 were from abroad. So I think during that collection or during that type of an editorial that we along with Professor Mangiram, the in charge of IJMEMS, we had started with IJMEMS and journals like these, they are immensely contributing. First of all, especially for young researchers, they cannot afford to pay. I don't want to name certain journals. They are charging immensely, like in lakhs or in a huge amount they are charging. And on the contrary, we have journals like IJMEMS which are having Indian bent, and they are contributing in a manner that they are charging so less as compared to other open access journals, and obviously keeping the disparity of all the ethics, all the requisites of the journal at one side. The contribution that these type of journals, the IJMEMS and there is one other publication coming out from Ram Arti Publishers, they have been immensely contributing in their respective fields. Like IJMEMS is a part which deals with mathematical and management profile, and the other part is dealing with some physics and other scientific aspects. So overall, the contribution, it is like, I'll not term it to be sustainable as of for now, because I think it is in its growing mode. It is in its growing mode, and I think maybe around another 4 or 5 years, it will reach to greater heights.